Welcome to Ms. Monts TV. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and you can also watch our other videos. In this video, we are going to use a Van de Graaff generator to show the static charges. Good day! Today, I'm gonna show you an experiment related to static electricity. We will use this Van de Graaff generator. In this experiment, we will put pieces of aluminum foil at the top of the Van de Graaff generator. So, I prepared here smaller pieces and a bigger piece of aluminum foil. We will see what will happen. Here's the big pieces of aluminum foil. Now I will compare it with the smaller pieces. This is another example on how you can see the static charge produced in a Van de Graaff generator. Now we will try to discharge our Van de Graaff generator. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned from the video today. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and share.